Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how we can download Ubuntu 24.04 LTS ISO file. So that's means let's get started. To download the latest version of Ubuntu ISO file, simply open any browser and visit ubuntu.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Now to download the latest version of Ubuntu operating system, simply click on this products menu and here you will find Ubuntu desktop. Simply click on this option. Now click on Ubuntu desktop and here you will find the download option for Ubuntu 24.04 LTS ISO file. Now to download the ISO file, simply click on download 24.04 LTS and it will automatically download Ubuntu 24.04 LTS ISO file, as you can see here, which is around 6 GB. So depending upon your internet speed, it will take some time to download. If download doesn't start automatically, then you can simply click on this download now link. Once the download has been completed, you can simply visit your download location. You can use this ISO file to create Ubuntu bootable USB drive, or you can use this ISO file to install Ubuntu operating system on a virtual machine. So if you want to install Ubuntu on a virtual machine, so I've already made a video on how you can install Ubuntu 24.04 LTS on VirtualBox. So I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. So that's it. This is how you can download the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS ISO file. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.